Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Back out here at the field I love to fly at. I'm out here with the Miss Helen from Eachine. And the last time I was flying this bird, I was having issues with the elevator. Hardly any elevator at all with it, and I just had a few problems with the performance of it. It falling out of the sky. I might have just stalled it a couple times. I don't know. I didn't fly it yet. I just tossed it on the grass here and the prop flew off. I don't have the wheels on it. I'm planning to do some belly landings, and I got my boxer out here. I wanted to fly it with my boxer. I did bind this to my boxer, and it everything seems to be working fine. It seems a lot better, a whole lot better than my Devo. I'm thinking maybe the sticks on my Devo were just starting to go bad, because it seems like it works a lot better, a lot more resolution in these sticks here and more precision. I think those sticks are just faulty on my old Devo, so I'm retiring it. These are Hall sensor gimbals, so yeah, let's get this up in the air. I got stock everything, got a new prop and everything. I don't think I bought a backup prop, so I'm gonna have to be careful. I do have an extra battery. It came with 2 batteries, so let's get this guy up in the air. Maybe 2.5 mile per hour wind blowing here. Let's see, you wanna put this thing, this hatch closed up. Let's get the prop back on it. Okay, we're gonna sit it flat as we bind it.
Welcome to HTX.
It seems to be down. We'll do a hand launch. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I did change the control horn right there in the back and whatnot. I put it on the most throw that we can possibly get. I put it on the first hole at the top there. The wings and all on the side for the aileron, I left it the same. They're on the outermost hole, so the least throw you can get. Let's get it. Okay, no problem with elevator now. It's flying beautiful, y'all. So now I was having issue with it with the stock transmitter too, though. So I don't know if the boxer by itself just solve the issue, or if me switching the that elevator control arm to the most throw I can get. Either way, I'm getting some good control out of it. Great control. We got some wind, a lot of turbulence from it, but no problem with coming down, fighting the wind or anything. Yeah, it's fine. It's flying beautifully, y'all. Down a little. Yep. I'm gonna go up a little higher because I'm gonna try to put it in going manual for a little bit. Oh, it went straight up in the air, y'all. I took it back out of manual. It wanted to just go up in the air when I put it in manual mode. Sheesh, that's scary. So I guess it's just, it needs to be trimmed or something. I don't know what it is, but the plane just tried to go up in the air as if I was trying to do a loop or something. It's flying nice though. Giving it a little aileron and a little rudder, and it's turning really beautifully. A little bit of elevator mixed in when I need a tighter turn. It's flying great. I'm gonna see if I can pull off a loop without with it just in this mode here. I'm just going to pull back and see what happens. Didn't let me turn over. Just took me up in the air. Yeah, it didn't let me. Okay, I'm gonna try to come down for a landing here. Oh, let's take off a little bit. Okay, let's try to land it now. Yeah, I need some practice with trying to land this little bird, because it seems a little floaty whenever I let off throttle and it wants to go up in the air. But so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to fly it down, you know, just give it some down elevator and then try to flare at the end of it. I'm gonna take off again and try to land it again, y'all. I must say that it's flying great though. Prop back on, so it's all the way on. Let's see. I was flying my little 400mm Volantex plane, the P51, and I was flying it near the Home Depot, and it was giving me a lot of telemetry warnings and all. Okay, let's see if I can bring it down for a landing. Let me try to bring it back around. Okay, let's come in for a landing. Throttle is off. The wind is, I'm flying into the wind, so that's why it's coasting like that. Awesome flight, y'all. Awesome flyer. So that's all this thing needed was a good transmitter. Flying it with my boxer here, and I love it, y'all. The Eachine Miss Helen P51. I think this is a 500mm wingspan here. Thanks for watching.